Hello everyone, RLC Cuba here. Breaking your PB is never easy and can be quite frustrating, but doing the same things over and over won't make you that much better. There are many tips out there, but in this video, I'd like to focus on one specific tip. Let's call it cross the first pair. For this, you'll need a pen, paper, and a cube. For the 6 examples I have here, we'll be tracking the orange, blue, and white pair with relatively easy crosses, so following wouldn't be that difficult. Let's go. Here we have the white pieces, and we also see the blue, orange, and white bar. Now write the algorithm for your cross. Keep your eyes on the white, blue, and orange pair while going through the cross algorithm in your head. In this example, it should look like this. When you're ready, do the algorithm, and you will know exactly where the pair pieces end up, making it very easy and fast to insert the first pair. Here we have another scramble, and here are the white pieces. Now for the algorithm. L prime, R prime, F, D prime. The white, orange, and blue pieces are a bit tricky here, so let's follow them individually. L prime will bring the corner piece here, R prime will do nothing, F will bring it up to here, and D prime will do nothing. Let's follow the edge piece now. L prime will do nothing, R prime will do nothing, F will bring this piece up to this point, and D prime will do nothing. We should therefore end up with the two pieces on top of each other. Let's try the algorithm now and see what happens. Here we have the pair, and now we can insert it immediately. Here we have another scramble, and here are the white pieces. Let's also take note of where the blue, orange, and white pair pieces are. Now for the algorithm. Now let's track the orange, blue, and white pieces. FB brings the corner up here, and R2 does nothing. Let's track the edge piece now. FB does nothing, and R2 brings the edge piece up here. The pair pieces should be right here. Now let's do the algorithm and see what happens. Here are the pair pieces for an easy insert. Here is another example. Here are the white, orange, and blue pieces. Now let's write the algorithm. Let's follow the corner piece. L would bring the corner piece down, F would bring it back up, R prime would do nothing. Now let's do the edge piece. L would do nothing, F would do nothing, and R prime would bring the piece up here. The pair pieces will be in this position. Now let's try the algorithm and see what happens. Here are the pair pieces for an easy insert. Now here's another example to follow. Write the algorithm down. Check to make sure the algorithm is correct. Now follow the pair pieces. The pair pieces should end up here. Now let's do the algorithm and see what happens. Here are the pair pieces for an easy insert. And here is the last example. Here are the white pieces, and I've already written down the algorithm. Now let's follow. Find the blue, orange, and white pieces. And let's do the edge piece first. D prime does nothing, R prime does nothing, B does nothing, and L prime does nothing as well. Let's follow the corner piece. D prime brings the corner piece over here. R prime brings it to the back. B brings it up. And L prime does nothing. The pair pieces should be right here. Let's try the algorithm and see. Here are the pair pieces for an easy insert. After practicing this technique, you will be able to track any pair without the use of a pen and paper. It will get easier and hopefully help you break your PB. Thank you so much for watching and hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.